Today's the day. You all ready?
Yep. Have faith. I think we can do it. Besides, there's more of us now here too. And if anything, we brought Sockman with us. He can just teleport us away if anything happens. Yeah, Emerald's right. I can get us away in an instant. If we need it. But hopefully, it won't come to that.
Alright, but so now that we're all out here, where is Echo? He should be out here too. I have a question.
William, what is it? Why are you laying down?
Because I can't stand up. There's only one person controlling us right now.
Well, what was your question?
Well, we could have also brought. Why did we bring the child? Chris, why did we bring him?
Watch over him. I swear. Besides, if anything happens, Cinder should be nearby. Yeah, so he's safe. He has to be. But okay, that's besides the point. We just need to wait for Echo now. I see you all took my invitation. That's good. That's good. Didn't want her being angry. Trust me, I wouldn't want her being angry either, just as much as you guys. But do you have your fighter that she requested to bring?
It couldn't be more obvious. Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Hello.
Right. Alright. I think we might be ready. She will be out here any moment now. Question. What is the whole goal around this anyways? Huh? Why do we need to fight? Can't we just talk to her or something? It would probably be much easier. I can't say. It was my sword duty to go by her ever since she brought me to life. If this is something she so confidently wants to happen, then I must follow. It is not in my best interests. I don't dare to question the queen or empress. I don't know what to call her. She's one of those things. We just gotta wait. And soon, we can get it over with. Lord Acanthia, I see you have arrived. They have came as promised as well. They brought their most strong fighter. Do as you must, my lord. His name is Scotty. I've heard many things about you. So, who is it? You must be Acanthia. Hey, you see, you sure we can't, talk this out? This is, it's scary, you know? Going against the god and stuff? I mean, I know, you probably won't agree with me or anything, but, you can at least get it that it's scary for us, you know? What chance do we have against you? I'm being honest. Cowardly as you always are. You know, I've come to expect that. I've been watching you. You've made such treacherous things. Are those the things that were your killer? Huh? You humans are a disgrace. You're lucky I'm giving you a chance to prove yourselves here and now. Whatever.
Bring me your strongest fighter now, or else.
Bionic? Come on, you heard her.
Smiles? Do your thing. Alright, I'll try my best.
You have the audacity to bring a inhuman thing with you. I'll get this one over with. Come at me, you human trash.
You're down! Is that all you? Yes! Enough! Stay back, Wayne! You don't know what you're doing! Right here, right now, I swear to God! You...
That was it? That's all you had? You humans. You're pathetic. Bionic.
He didn't even last 3 hits. That was too quick.
This is not good, guys. He took down him in 3 hits. And he never got to fight back. This might be a good time. Do it. Move an inch and he dies. Kevia, please don't do this. Why are you doing this? What do we do? You humans are a pathetic species. You... Oh, don't let me get started on you.
I digress. Humans didn't really do anything, I don't think, to you. Humans would only worship.
Pathetic whelp! I proved my point. You scum! You scum have tainted this earth. You and your entire species don't deserve to live anymore. That's why I am going to get rid of all of you. One by one if it has to. It doesn't matter. You and your rubbish machines. If I'll give you this, you can't run in the next 5 seconds. You will all end up like he did. I gotta go. Alright, guys, I'm back. Sorry. I'll get you all out of here. Please do. Like now. Tactics now, just like you humans. Alright, thank you. No. He escaped. You hear me? Once you come back out here, I swear to God, I will murder everyone you know. It doesn't matter how long it takes. Lord, I don't know what to call you. Don't lose your temper, please. It's just a simple mistake. It's all. It won't. We'll get them next time. I promise. Calm down.
I can't see ya. What do you need?
You free to go look for Scotty, and
What's his name? I don't know, but he has a gray shirt and he had a red knife. Bring them both to me alive, or it will be with your heads.
Alright, guys. Let's go find them.
How did that kid get that knife? It's not his. How did he get a relic from the Blood God? Whatever. He will answer to me soon.